children, I am Reshma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Our today's topic is water and weather. Water and weather. We need water to live. Water is used for drinking, bathing, washing, cooking and cleaning. Water is present on earth in various water bodies. We get water present under the ground from a well or a tube well or by using a pump. Three states of water. Water is available to us in three forms: solid, liquid and gas. Water changes its form on heating and cooling. Pour some water in an ice tray. Keep it in the refrigerator. After some time, you will see that water has changed into ice cube. So we can see that water changes to its solid form when cool. Now take some ice cube and keep it on a glass. After some time, you will see that the ice has melted into water. This shows that water changes to liquid form at a warm temperature. Now take some water in a pan and boil it. You will see vapor coming out. This shows that when heated, water changes into gas and becomes water vapor. This water vapor moves upward towards the sky. The water cycle. A continuous cycle in nature in which water changes from one state to another is called the water cycle. It is due to the water cycle that cloud forms and rainfall occurs. Let us understand the different steps of the water cycle. First one, the process by which water changes into water vapor due to heat of the sun is called evaporation. Water from the ponds, rivers, oceans, seas and lakes heats up and rises in the form of water vapor. Next step, in the sky, water vapor cools down and forms tiny droplets of water. The tiny droplets and the dust particles cling together to form clouds, and the process by which water vapor changes into tiny droplets of water is called condensation. Next process, when the clouds become too heavy with too many droplets of water, they come back to the earth's surface as rain. In very cold areas, the water vapor becomes solid and changes to snow. That is why in a very cold area we experience snowfall. The falling of water on the earth from the sky in the form of rain or snow is called precipitation. The water that comes through precipitation goes back to the water bodies and fills them. The sun rays again heats up the water and it evaporates in the sky as water vapor. This cycle in nature occurs continuously and this process is called the water cycle. Here figure shows the complete steps of water cycle. Weather. Weather is the condition of air temperature, rainfall and cloud over of a particular place at a particular time. Weather can change every day or even within a day. The factors that decide the weather of a place are the sun, wind, clouds and rain. Let's see first factor, the sun. The sun is the ball of fire in the sky that the earth goes round and that gives us heat and light. Children, do you know what is the hottest time of the day? Noon is the hottest time of the day because during the noon time the sun is directly above our head. The sun rays are slanting in the morning and in the evening, so morning and evening are cooler. Next factor, wind. All of us enjoy a cool, gentle breeze, but sometimes the wind blows very strongly. This is called storm. Storms can uproot trees and destroy houses. Places near the sea experience very deadly storms called cyclones. Cyclone can cause huge damage to life and property. During summer, very hot and dry wind called Lu blows over northern India. In the mountains, people experience very cold winds. Next factor, cloud. On cloudy days, we do not see the sun. The temperature is usually lower, but the air becomes sticky due to the presence of water vapor. We may also feel hotter on cloudy nights as the clouds do not allow heat from the Earth's surface to escape into the air. Next factor, rain. After the hot summer months, we welcome the rains. Rainfall make a place cooler. Farmers also want rain so that the crops can get enough water. But too much rain can also become dangerous. It becomes difficult for vehicles to move in waterlogged roads. If it rains heavily, the rivers overflow their banks and river water enter near fields, villages and cities. This is called flood. Flood cause huge loss of life, crops and houses. Next, seasons. When similar weather conditions stay for some period of time, we call it season. There are three main seasons in India: the summer season, the winter season, and the rainy season. Some parts of the country also experiences spring season and autumn season. Next, weather and season. Weather and season affect our food habits, clothes we wear, and also our daily activities. If it is a rainy day or a very hot sunny day, we prefer to stay indoors. We love to go out in the sun in a cold winter day. During winter, we wear woolen clothes. In a summer, we wear cotton clothes. During the rain, we wear raincoat or we use an umbrella. During the hot weather, we enjoy ice cream and cold drinks, while in the cold weather, we like to have some hot drinks. Let's recall. Water exists in three states: solid, liquid, gas. Water changes its state due to heating and cooling. Water from the Earth's surface heats up by the rays of the sun and goes up to the sky in the form of water vapor. This process is called evaporation. In the sky, water vapor cools down and changes into tiny droplets of water. This is called condensation. When the clouds become heavy, the water comes back on Earth in the form of rain or snow. This is called precipitation. Weather of a place determines the kind of clothes we wear, the kind of food we eat, and the activities we do. So, if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, like, comment, and share. Press the bell icon for new notifications. Thank you for watching, and we will meet again with next video.